Hello everyone, myself Pradeep Palkar, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Instrumentation Engineering in AISSMS IIT Pune. So, in this video, we have to discuss project management. See here, what is a project manager? A project manager is the person responsible for planning and executing the project. Acts as a link between the team member and stakeholder. What are the responsibility of project manager? Planning and scheduling, managing budget and resource, leading the project team, monitoring progress, manage risk and uncertainties, coordinate and motivate the project team, maintain communication with stakeholder, and ensure the project completion within a budget and time. A PM, that is a project manager, is responsible for planning, organizing, leading, and controlling a project from initial to completion. That is called PM, project manager. The project manager ensure that the project objective are achieved within definite contents such as a time, cost, scope, and quality. Okay, that's the project manager. What are the project organization techniques? The project organization techniques defines how authority, responsibility, and communication are structured. And what are the techniques? There are the different techniques. The most common techniques, number one, that is a matrix project organization. And number two, project oriented project organization. The first, see here, that is the matrix project organization. The matrix project organization is a hybrid structure that combines functional organization and project oriented organization. In this system, employees report to both the functional manager, see here, functional manager and project manager. Okay, the employee, this, see here, this is a staff report to the functional manager, as well as this staff report to the project manager. That is a hybrid of functional and project. That is called the matrix organization techniques. See here, the team members report both the functional manager and project manager, right? The team member report if any issue is created, the team member report to respective manager as well as their project manager. Resources are shared across the project. Okay, see here, these are the production manager, finance manager, marketing manager, and R&D manager. If any issue, any difficulty generate, that production employee They are simultaneously report to the production manager. Also, they are simultaneously report to the R&D manager as well as finance manager. That is the advantage of that matrix project orientation. Okay, what are the advantage? Efficient utilization of skilled resources, time consuming, better communication between the department, flexibility, handling multiple project. That is the big advantage. Encourage the teamwork. And some are the disadvantage also. That is confusion in authority. Okay, confusion due to the dual reporting. That is a one disadvantage. Conflict between the managers. They will possibly complete complex organizational structure. Okay, some, but the major advantages, some disadvantage also in this project orientation. See here, there is also structure form of that, the matrix organization structure, CEO, and in the in that the algorithm is business analysis manager, development manager, quality assurance manager. See the example of software related example, business analysis. Okay, the product one manager, product two manager, and product three manager, and these all are the connected functional team as well as project manager team simultaneously connected with each other. Now we'll discuss the project oriented and project organization. That is the second types. In the project oriented organization, the entire structure is center on project. The project manager has complete authority and team member are dedicated exclusive to one project, only one project. Okay. What is the main comparison is in matrix organization, multiple project run at a time. In project orientation, project organization, only one project run at a time. The team members work only on one project. Project manager has a fully authority. And what are the best characteristic in these types? Strong authority of project manager, dedicated project team, clear responsibility and accountability. And what are the advantages? Fast decision making, that is the best advantage. Faster decision making, clear authority, responsibility, high team commitment, better control over the project activity. These are the advantage. And what are the disadvantage? Higher cost, limited resource are sharing, and job uncertainty after the project completion. This is also some disadvantage in this project. Now see here the example of project organization, managing director, right? And these are the manager project division 1 and division 2. In division 1, one engineer, one R&D manager, one account officer, or okay, and personal officer, and that is a clerk. That is a one part. Second part also same, engineer, R&D manager, accountant, and a personal officer and clerk. This is an example of project organization, right? In project organization, the entire structure is center on project. Okay. Now see here the conclusion of that. The project management is essentially for achieving the organizational goals with structure, planning, and effective execution. The project manager play a role in project success. Selection of approach, organization structure depending on the project size, complexity, and resource availability. Okay, thank you.